right, so you did some practice problems. Hopefully those are right there, 12, 13, and 14. And now we're here on question 15. Okay, and question 15 is a video. Okay, so notice what I'm doing. I'm really keeping my notes organized to where I'm going to be able to come back here and see, okay, right, like I'm going to come back and reference. Here are my notes where I took a video, I did some practice problems, right? Here's another video. So I'm really going to try to keep notes super organized, because especially when your teacher's not there, you're really going to need your notes, right? Okay, so here, we're going to take a look at one more format that two-step equations can come in. And this one is the one that throws students off the most, I would say. Okay, but you're going to see it's not really so different. We still just follow our reverse order of operations. Okay, now remember, we use reverse order of operations. We have to ask ourselves, what operations are here? Okay, and the thing is, so this is division right here. Right, that's division. Okay, and you might think, well, okay, well, subtraction comes before division, right? So I would do that first. But the thing is remember that fraction bar is a grouping symbol. So grouping symbols comes last. Because in order of operations, grouping symbols come first, right? So when we're solving equations, we do grouping symbols last. So here's what you need to know. You can't touch what's inside here until you get rid of everything else, okay? So here what I have is division and grouping symbols. So in this case, division actually comes first, and I'm going to undo the division first. So I have divided by 3, I'm going to multiply by 3. Okay, so I have x minus 2 equals 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, and now I have a one-step equation. I have subtraction. I'm going to undo subtraction with addition. Okay. And another example here. X plus 7 divided by negative 2 equals negative 3. Okay, again, this is a grouping symbol. Can't touch it. I'm going to get rid of the division first. Okay, this is divided by negative 2. So I'm going to do the opposite, which is multiply by negative 2. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply by negative 2 on the other side as well. Okay, so that cancels, right? This is divided by negative 2, multiplied by negative 2. Those undo each other. And I'm left with x plus 7 equals negative times negative is positive. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, and now this is a one-step equation. I have addition here. So I'm going to subtract. I have 6 minus 7. So that's 6 patches, 7 notches, negative 1. Okay, and let's go ahead and set up your practice problems. You're going to do practice for this kind of equation. And then there's going to just be some, you're going to see all the different types of two-step equations. So here's going to be question 16, 17, 18. Go ahead and count 5 lines. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and leave yourself that space. This is 19, 20, and 21. Okay, your notebook is going to be gorgeous. All right, and go ahead and try those practice problems.